let's take a trip down memory lane, during our 30th anniversary.
30th anniversary, that was definitely wild. It's a different experience for us.
Yes, of
Out of
course.
our
Wild.
comfort zone.
Yeah.
Diba? So, one day, naka-gown tayo. And then the next day, ano yung suot natin? Dry fit?
Welcome back to #AskApple. Thanks for watching the second part of our chikahan. Now, let's plunge into the last part.
Ayan.
Yeah. Sa akin naman yung sa gala. So, I was quite overwhelmed kasi sobrang daming guests.
True.
So, from there you can see, baka nga hindi pa complete yun eh, di ba? It was 600 guests during the gala dinner. Ang laki ng venue, ang daming table, and then for you to meet all of them, parang imposible in one night.
True.
Kasi sobrang dami nila.
Sobra.
So, it was fun. Of course, it was a formal event. And it was nice to know other people din. Kahit hindi nila hinahandle yung Philippines, diba? And it was nice to meet other AUG global staff as well. I think doon talaga tayo nagsama-sama.
Totoo,
And
no?
siguro yung pinaka-core memory nating lahat was nung build.
Correct.
Diba? Kasi basically, that was teamwork. Kaya natin
Yeah.
nagawa yung 3 houses na yon. So, ako personally, hindi ko na maalala kung ano ba yung feeling ko nung uminit, nung umulan.
Oo,
Parang I was
ulan
just
eh.
focused
Oo.
on the build. Parang yun lang din siya. And,
Kasi may goal ka nun eh, everyday, diba? Na dapat
yeah,
matapos.
every day. Tapos siguro yung sense of fulfillment na nung nakita mong i-hand over yung keys dun sa families. So, imagine, it was one house, 30 families sila dun sa isang bahay, and now they have their own house because of AUG. So, ayan, looking forward to the 4th house.
Yes.
And I signed up for that as well. So, let's see. Updates.
Good luck, guys. Good luck. Once is enough.
Once is enough for me. Parang 3 houses in 3 days. I mean, that's good enough. It's really our way of giving back. More than just, we wore talagang helmets.
True.
Yung natin.
Yung
gloves. And then parang every single day, nung 3 days na yun, suot natin siya more than our office uniform or
Correct.
office attire. And then, I think, yung build din also was, parang ang takeaway ko dun is dun mo rin talaga makikita how kung paano, ang galing, kasi kung paano sila sa office, ganun din sila, kahit kahit anong task bigay mo. So you see people who are very passionate, who are really focused, who can take instructions. Nagganon din sila sa office actually. Ganon nga. So, may naalala pala ako, may nakatanggap ng long service award nung gala. Nung ikaw, dun sa farewell.
Oo, sa
Kasi how
farewell.
many years are you with AUG in total na?
8 years.
8 years. Naalala ko si Josie, hindi pa yung office, 'di ba? Parang hindi pa fully open. Nag-launch pa lang kami nung old na AUG Manila office.
Ribbon cutting.
Ribbon cutting, nandun siya. Kasi as in, kaka-interview ko lang sa kanya, tapos pinapunta ko siya nun. And the rest is history. Oh, 'di ba? Nandiyan si Josie all throughout nung
Nakita ko ang growth.
Oo. Tapos ako naman yung sa gala.
We'd like to welcome our country manager for the Philippines, Cheryl Calais.
Normally kasi, AUG wants na sila mismo yung magbibigay sa'yo ng yung service awards mo. Hindi yung basa-basa, nag 5 years ka na, papadala na lang sa'yo yung certificate, hindi ganun. Kasi sila mag-handover. So, na-handover tuloy sa akin 5 and 10 years. Kala mo tuloy 15 years, no? Pero hindi pa. Pa lang ako with AUG. Parang magta-13 this year. Pero parang binigay nila na yung both 5 and 10 years in-award nila at that point. Yeah. Which is very festive for all of us, syempre. Maraming kumuha ng ganun 5, 10, 15, 20, hanggang 30 years. Yun.
Ayun. Maganda na may pag-ganon sa AUG. Kumbaga, in-honor nila yung loyalty, hard work, and perseverance ng kanilang employees.
Oh, di ba? Naiyak na si Josie.
Iyak na.
Oh.
Naiyak na siya. Kailangan na namin ng tissue dito.
Yeah. Alam nyo guys, that's the beauty of AUG. We all work hard, pero our efforts don't go unnoticed. Kumbaga talagang lahat, they do recognize. And this trip really showed us the power of service and yung parang yung heart ni AUG. Hindi lang yung, yun nga, nakikita mo yung priority sa students, nakikita mo yung priority sa sa staff na they also make sure that you're well taken care of. Tapos, basta lahat, siya, how do I say this? Genuine concern to everyone. Hindi lang sa mga clients, hindi lang sa partners, kundi pati sa staff, and even other people. Kagaya nun, yung Orang Asti community.
Yes, correct. Wow, thank you so much for that one. So, to everyone tuning in today, thank you for joining us as we look back on such a meaningful journey with AUG. Whether you were there with us in Malaysia or just feeling the vibe through this episode, we hope you were inspired to gently consider your own exciting next steps. Just as we came together for a cause, know that AUG always creates impact beyond education. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you again and see you next time. Yeah, bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. For more episodes, please follow us in Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, follow us in our TikTok and Instagram account. Again, this is your Counselor Apple and this is #AskApple. See you!